Alright, so tomorrow Xiaomi is launching its Mi Mix 4 smartphone in the Chinese market, and in my previous video on this phone, I talked about the under-display selfie camera, which is also the main selling point of this phone. But fast forward to today, we now have the full specifications of this phone just a day before tomorrow's launch event in China. These specifications were shared by a source on Twitter. So before talking about these specifications, let's quickly take a look at the design of this phone. So there is a curved screen on the front, and this time around there is no hole punch cutout because the selfie camera is there under the display. This makes it the first Xiaomi smartphone to launch with an under-display selfie camera. There is a ceramic back, which means not only it looks and feels premium, but it is also stronger than a glass back. There is a big camera module on the back that includes 3 cameras in it. As we can see, it says 108 megapixels, which means there is a primary 108 megapixel camera sensor. The phone also has a periscope camera for zoom shots. So design-wise, the Xiaomi Mi Mix 4 does look premium. Speaking of the specifications now, the Xiaomi Mi Mix 4 has a 6.67-inch 10-bit AMOLED with a Full HD Plus resolution, 120Hz refresh rate, and up to 480Hz touch sampling rate. The display also gets the Corning Gorilla Glass Victus protection. Some other features of this screen include HDR10 Plus support, Dolby Vision, and True Tone. In terms of the performance, this phone gets the latest and greatest Snapdragon 888 Plus SoC from Qualcomm. Paired with this SoC, there is LPDDR5 RAM and UFS 3.1 storage. So apart from the display, in terms of performance as well, this phone checks all the boxes. Coming to the cameras, there are 3 on the back and 1 under the display on the front. The triple camera setup includes a primary 108 megapixel Samsung sensor with OIS, a secondary 13 megapixel ultrawide camera, and a third 8 megapixel periscope camera with 5 times optical zoom. This periscope camera has OIS too. On the front, there is a 20 megapixel camera which sits below the display. Finally, the phone has a 4500 mAh battery and supports a ridiculous 120 watt fast charging. And that's not it. There is also support for 50 watt fast wireless charging. Xiaomi Mi Mix 4 is IP68 certified and has stereo speakers tuned by Harman Kardon. So in short, the Xiaomi Mi Mix 4 is a really impressive premium flagship phone from Xiaomi, with the under-display selfie camera being its main selling point. The pricing is still a mystery, but since the launch is happening tomorrow, we don't have to wait for long now. Anyways, what do you think of the Xiaomi Mi Mix 4? Do let me know via the comments section below, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one.